Whether you're starting your career or are a seasoned job hunter, it does not matter. This video is going to take you through all the essential steps to land that dream interview. And of course, the dream job. Also, if you tag along and stick with me throughout this video, you will get amazing expert advice, insider tips, a few must-read book recommendations exactly relevant to this problem. So let the intro roll in. तो भाई क्या सीन थी है? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to discuss those 12 short steps to get you into the interview process. Now, I've classified these steps into certain categories. Number 1, data collection. Number 2, keyword optimization. Number 3, resume elaboration. Number 4, the cover letter. And number 5, interview questions rehearsal. Pro tip, before you go any further, I want you to take a note with me. Whenever I will use GPT, I will always give good prompt. I will not rely on only one prompt. That's more like it. Now let's begin. Number 1, Excel sheet. So the first thing that you need to do before anything else, create an Excel sheet for all the jobs and all the companies that you want to apply for. Okay, hold up. What's the purpose of this? I know it might seem tough, but now I'm going to show you the right way of applying for jobs if you actually are serious and you think that there is a lot of job saturation, especially in the tech, marketing, media, and advertisement industry. The most common mistake that I've heard a lot of people make is randomly throwing resumes and not remembering how many. Here's the tip. Create a sheet which has several columns including the name of the company, the job they're hiring for, the resume that you've created, put it on the Google Drive link, the status of your application, when you applied, and the follow-up. As a bonus, you can also add their contact details like the number of the HR managers or the email addresses. This is going to help you keep a track record of all the places that you have applied to and for the designations that you applied for. So just in case a company calls you for the interview, you remember what you had applied for and then you can prepare accordingly. Go through the book, The 2-Hour Job Search by Steve Dalton, which will teach you how to create and make the process of your job search pretty efficient. Using systems and processes will make you save time and maximize the chances of you landing that interview. How to prepare for an interview? We'll discuss this in another video. But for now, the Excel sheet. I haven't really done this, but Ramit Sethi, an interview coach, recommends it's a good practice to connect with the people in the company that you're applying for, even before applying to the job. Network is network. But what kind of network to build? I'll share that in another video. But networking should not only be clicking on connect and then ghosting the person. You need to build the connection. For that, I'll make another video which you'll be able to watch somewhere here. Yeah. Step 2, job hunt on LinkedIn. I don't know about a few years down the road, but right now, LinkedIn is the marketplace for all the jobs. Click on the job section on LinkedIn and look for the right kind of jobs for yourself. That will not only help you understand the job market, but it will also help you understand the types of job eligibility, requirements, job descriptions, and how you fit in. Pro tip, remember to customize your LinkedIn profile because recruiters do notice. And stop posting political crap. Nobody cares about your opinion. Even you don't.
तो उससे मेरा क्या फायदा?
Step number 3, and really interesting one, the keywords. I love this process because this is one of the strongest weapons that you can use to get the attention of not only the recruiter but also the ATS that they use. Although some experts say that ATS doesn't help much, nonetheless, a good relevant resume is the one that is a blend of a lot of keywords from the job description that was posted by that relevant particular company. How to do it? Use any AI tool or ChatGPT. Copy the work job description and their work requirements into GPT. Now copy and paste your work experience and your projects on ChatGPT and prompt it to incorporate the keywords into your work experience and in your projects so that your work seems more authentically relevant and keyword optimized according to the job requirements. This can be done for the cover letter as well, but I'll talk about it later. Austin Belcak, the international trainer for interviews and landing the right jobs without a traditional process, has explicitly pointed this out time and again that the importance of keyword optimization cannot be neglected. Through good keyword optimization, you can help your resume pass the applicant tracking system right into the recruiter's hand. Number 4, job experience alignment. Now this is super essential. One of my trainees had a good experience of 8 years in the marketing industry, but now he wanted to switch to data science. What to do? Should he waste all that experience of 8 years? Now this is where your work experience and job description alignment falls in. Again, copy the job description into ChatGPT and then copy your work experience into ChatGPT. Prompt it to merge these two and align your older experience with the newer experience, making it sound relevant even if not completely. But still to the extent that you can talk about a new field and you can actually convince the recruiter to recruit you despite you having little experience of that field but a lot of learning from the previous one. Now pause right here and think about whether your current work experience is relevant and aligned with the job description in the new job. If yes, thumbs up. But if no, please write that in the comments below so that the community here can help you figure out how to tailor your resume and how to connect your current work experience learning to the new work that you're getting into. Step number 5, relating your projects to the job description. I know what you're thinking. Isn't just a good number of projects enough to impress the recruiter? No. There's a lot more to the projects that the recruiter is looking for than just a good number. For instance, and again, relevance. So projects are different from the work experiences, and for projects, you need to specially tailor each one of them according to the keywords as mentioned in the job description. Number 6, finding keywords. Keywords, isn't that a marketing thing? So what else are you doing with your resume? You're also selling your skills, aren't you? So here, you need to optimize your resume and your cover letter and your profile in a way that it all seems keyword optimized. And for keyword optimization, you simply need to copy all the content from the job description and the job requirement of that vacancy, paste it into GPT and prompt it to find out all the relevant keywords for the job designation that you're applying for. It's important to write the designation because the keywords would vary accordingly. For reference, Pamela Skillings, what a genius surname. Pamela Skillings, an interview coach, highly recommends framing your past projects in a way that they sound more relevant to the current work experience or job description. And numbers. Numbers are inevitable and numbers speak volumes. So when optimizing your resume for a job, remember to add numbers to show the impact or result of your work. Did you cut the cost by 15%? Did you increase the data accuracy by 20%? Point it out. Your work will not matter if you're not able to portray the impact of your work in the previous company or project or freelancing or whatever you were doing. By the way, freelancing is not considered a work experience. It's always added in the projects. Prove your worth through numbers and figures and percentages. And for that, again, you can use the help of GPT. But don't forget to learn how to explain those numbers as well. Because I know people out there who have added numbers and percentages, but when asked, they were not able to explain what those numbers meant. So if you're here, I'm sure by now you're aware of the STAR method. And if you're not, then let me help you out. The STAR method is an acronym for situation, task, action, and results. So whenever sharing an achievement, whenever sharing how you solved a problem, use the STAR methodology and it will work wonders.
हो गया बस थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लीजिए.
Hey guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you did not like the video, please write how I can help you. I've made this video with a lot of experience, consultation, discussions with the HR and the interviewees and how they fail, why they fail, in both the perspectives and brought really good insights for you. So if this works for you, do let me know in the comments as well. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the latest updates on what is happening in the industry. Also, don't forget that in the picture of your life, you are the one who is all that matters before anyone else. Because whatever feelings and efforts you have for yourself, only that you can give to others. Just take care of yourselves, stay blessed and keep shining. I'll see you in the next video.